Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to flip an image in Google Slide. So if you want to flip an image in Google Slide, here's how you can get it done. The first thing you have to do is you tap on the image you want to flip. So I'm just going to tap on this particular image, which is the Twoguysfinance image. I'm going to tap on the more button, which is the more option. I'm going to tap on it. I'm going to tap on it, then I'm going to tap on format option. So from here I'm going to tap on size and rotation. So I'm just going to scroll down a little, then I'll tap on flip. So right here I can flip horizontally, I can flip also vertically, I can also flip using angles. Start from 90 degrees, I can start with 270. I can flip also, depends on how you want the flip to look like. So I'm just going to flip, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.